Hi, this is Tiger from RobotDigg. Here you can see the 3D printing filament extrusion 9, and here is the extruder, and this two water tank, and this is the lens measurement unit and tractor, and this one is the auto winding system. You can find there are options, the option 9.2 and 9.3, and also you can find there are 9.2 plus, which is what's the difference between them, and you can find on RobotDigg. The 9.2 plus is for high temperature. There are also 9.3, which is the latest version. It also has customer unit for high temperature, like a peak extrusion. It can reach 450 centigrade. The standard extruder, I mean the low temperature, is about 3 centigrade temperature request. That the unit will come with 2 water tank cooling. For the higher customized temperature request extrusion 9, you will have this unit, the air cooling system with 4 DC fan come with this unit. I mean for the 9.2 plus and 9.3 plus. So this extrusion 9 is quite suitable for lab or home factory. The very compact design that you can find from China. And there is another unit I want to show is this. This one is refrigeration module. Refrigeration module are quite useful for PCL, like very low temperature material extrusion, because it can cool down the water for cooling very quickly. When the circumstance temperature is 30 centigrade or higher, the water cannot cool down the PCL extrusion immediately. Especially, I say that especially in the high temperature, because the circumstance temperature is high. The PCL extrusion 9, the temperature could be like 50 or 60 centigrade. So we use this unit, can cool down the water 10 to 15 centigrade lower than the circumstance temperature. So yeah, this will very helpful for the low temperature material extrusion. You can buy it separately on RobotDigg. But this one, the air cooling system is only for the customized high temperature extrusion 9 for 9.2 plus or 9.3 plus. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and see you in next video.